and get hot, you know. Alright, hot bread them, you know.
Yeah, hot bread.
Yeah. Catch the bait them, for catch them long jaw there, you know. Eh, we can't even cut them in a tooth. That's all. Yeah. I work it, man. So I catch a bait them, you know, guys. So you don't know. I murder some bar and some long jaw. So you ready for the chat?
Yeah.
That you say, bossy?
Yeah.
Ready, I'm ready, you know.
Yes,
It's survive. How is side the reel of line, pan? Something take you already? Yeah. Make him go on with him, man. But I will keep him so quick. In time kick out, you know, say I am that. Most from bar, you know. And if he let it go. Look like he can let it go. Look, some man. Must cut that. I tell you, man. A bar, man. You don't know what's a bar still?
I look at bar, man.
Show you out the back.
That's the biggest shot of the week.
Eh? But even if I biggest or why, you know? Yesterday, journey up the island, boy. Africa. Mad thing. I count this, I not nine there. Oh, I'll fish it on store, I don't know. Obvious, them either way. When last I can do something like this? So this is sea cucumber, guys. Yep. See that? Organize something here.
Yeah, man. A different strategy the way I respond them.
Yeah.
Obviously, them upgrade, you know.
Upgrade.
Yeah, man. The whole system, everything upgrade, man. Animal upgrade,
They
people
got
upgrade, everything.
Got college and forward back, so.
Yeah, man.
I know it's everywhere then it's easy to get catch.
The pro, man, a survival.
So yeah, we'll try that style.
Yeah, man. This is like it will work, you know.
Show your style on the board, them pop style.
Def.
Yes, trust. Yeah, if you make man go crash, you know, brother, remember me tell you, you know. Nah, go like it, you know. Brother, you don't know if you pack the brother. We do right, that go on here. What you up thing this?
Crocodile.
Yesterday. It's the vibe. Okay guys, so right now we're trying to find some seashells. So bait up the water. We wait on them to come out of the sun. So this is a shell I've been telling you guys about. Yeah. Beautiful. It's a vibe. If you go and pound them. You think pound them, I eat them. Where you eat?
Stop alright. I ain't dying. Putting up no strength to survive.
Yeah, dig.
Let's take a look around. Why did you can't say good night, is my yacht?
Okay, people, so this is my yacht. Brand new yacht. Just buy it. Yeah. Tomorrow, may I sail out. You don't know it's sitting go. Brand new $30 million yacht.
Antigua. We go get girls.
Yeah, tappy nice eye people in place, brother.
Why live in it?
Oh, wake up. No, it's not a bad name there. Oh my God. Oh, yes, a ghost. It's a ghost yacht. Yeah. All the dead people and left on it. On the bright side, Portland. I guess so. No, sir. Cruise. Oh, so you have engine, propeller under it, and you have sail. Well, one of them boats in the future still. Not exactly like this, but yeah, catamaran, or whatever you want. I'm to your brethren. I know a yacht, brother.
Oh.
Rooster. Rooster. I see. Anybody can cross it. Only the fisherman and the fisherwoman. Nobody can cross it.
Yesterday, a bus was coming from town. A bus to the people.
Yeah.
Just the mercy of God. Why the bus can go over?
The bus can swim. The bus can swim.
Believe it or not.
The bus can swim.
The bus can cross it.
Anybody can cross it. Yeah, the man who put that together still in the channel.
Not even the kids can go to school. Trust me.
Make your boss go viral. Make your boss go viral. Now what do you see him come back and I try to look like him and do song? Yeah.
I go to church.
Yeah, like him and then like one time must take him money cause boss was saying church have whole and little cleaner. So you go man money get enough for them, huh? Try it. Yes,
and I just too money. You go buy food,
you know what I say? Eh? How much money I spend on food?
How much food?
Hmm?
How much food?
Food sell out there, so you know. I think a 3 and 350. Bumbo clot. You know that. What am I doing with my thumb? What am I doing with my thumb?
You have it, Tom?
I will have it, man. I have it, Rasta. But if I shit like you last time, Timmy took off a rug and a shit in the dog. And leave a bag, it's a box, food box. Full of shit. Yeah, I say, I dog think, I say, if I go search it, because sitting goodly in there. Big load of shit, in the sink, you know. Yeah, I say, oh, that no sink for the water when you did that come in. Huh?
Bone,
huh?
bone. Burn. And you put black pepper on it.
That's stuff, alright. Turn the thing and go in, brother. Yeah. You know so we go? We have carrying back his with the kayak. You know, he's sitting go already. You see pre? You see pre? See you going straight in. No, sir. Look on a soul, yes, brother. It's island. Well, a vibe in here. Yeah. It's island. Boy.